Sauteed prawns. A main dish from French Polynesia. Serves 4. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Wash the prawns thoroughly, breaking off the feelers or legs which are too long. Step 2. Fry the chopped onion in a heavy frying pan until golden. Add the prawns and continue cooking until they turn red in color. Step 3. Season and add a glass of water or dry white wine to the pan, then the crushed cloves of garlic and a light sprinkling of paprika. Step 4. Cover the pan and allow to simmer for about 5 minutes. Check the seasoning, sprinkle over the fresh parsley and serve hot. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.